Friday's tornado tore through many parts of St. Louis, with much of North City taking the hardest hit. Travis Cummings has been traveling through neighborhoods all morning. He is in the Jeff Vanderloo neighborhood now with a closer look at damage, and behind you, just destruction, Travis.
Hey Kelly, we're on Pine Street right now in the Jeff Vanderloo neighborhood, and I want to show you just how forceful those winds were. It took the entire roof off of this fourplex here on Pine Street. I mean, it is completely crumbled. We're talking about years and years of brick on the ground here. It ripped the street light off. You can see some of the facade came on down to this vehicle here that was parked in front. The windows are smashed in, debris scattered throughout the street. This home here right next door, this fourplex, I just talked to a couple, they just left. They stayed inside of this home overnight. They said they had no power, but it was a grandmother and her 3 grandchildren. They had to crawl from underneath some of the material that came crashing down onto their home last night. And as you can see, their roof is also missing there at the top. Now, I did go over to the O'Fallon neighborhood further north earlier today where we saw a lot of that damage yesterday. I want to show you the video from there this morning because power crews are already on site. We have rows and rows of crews trucking in. Forestry is out. They are cutting down the trees so that those teams can get to the power lines. I'm told that it could be at least a couple of days before people in that neighborhood see power, but we're glad to see them there nonetheless this morning. So that means that they are working diligently. They do ask you to give them room while they are out there working. So you definitely want to be careful because a lot of these power lines are still leaning into areas. So I did talk to one of the guys there on their crew. Here's what he had to say.
The big part is try to get these old structures and all these wires that are off these on these homes, the wire that's on the ground. Try to get it cleared up. If we got to install new stuff, we got to install a lot of new wire poles. So getting it off these homes is pretty tricky. But like I said, there's a lot of qualified guys out here that know what they're doing and can do it safely.
Getting you back live to Pine Street right now in the Jeff Vanderloo neighborhood. We're getting just a different angle for you of this fourplex where the roof came down completely. Again, this is what people are waking up to this morning. Many of them stayed inside of their homes, but the cleanup and restoration is already underway. And so help is available for you, and we're going to make sure that you know exactly where you need to go and who you need to talk to. But we're now live in North City. Travis Cummings, 5 on your side.